Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to get this video out quickly while it's still raining, and I wanted to show you exactly what I'm going through. In the middle of my yard, I can see water flowing through directly in the middle, going straight down towards the end. This is important to know because it kind of dictates how you manage your treatments or pre-emergence when it comes to applications. So the short story is, anytime it rains, especially if it rains very heavy, you want to go out there and just take a peek. Pay attention to how the water is flowing, where it's flowing from, and how long it stays on top of your lawn. This is going to help you out in the long run when it comes to applying a pre-emergent or even reapplying a pre-emergent. You're going to notice you're going to have certain breakthrough spots faster than others, for example on hills or wherever the water flows through. So anytime it rains, you want to go out there and just take a peek. You don't have to go out for 2-3 minutes. Just go out there a few seconds, pay attention to how the water flowing. And when you know this, when you pay attention to this, you're going to notice that you can adjust your treatments or application timing. For example, if you're applying a fertilizer, you may not want to rely on Mother Nature if it's going to rain very heavy. You may want to manually water in your fertilizer. Or pre-emergence, you're going to notice that if you put out a granular pre-emergent, it's going to get washed away. Or if you end up manually watering it and push it down to the soil, you're going to notice those areas are wearing out much faster than other areas in your spot. So in this case, you may want to reapply your pre-emergent. But the short story is, anytime it rains, just go out there for a few seconds and just pay attention to where the water is flowing. Doing this, you're also going to notice any type of land erosion issues you may have. So I urge you to get out there, pay attention to your landscape, and see how and where the water is flowing through. Another telltale sign, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure this out, but even after it rains, when the rain has stopped, you can see where the water has been. You can see water has flowed through here. Some of it actually came from up the hill over here, came straight down. And believe it or not, even from this little corner here, you can kind of see all these little wavy grass clippings here. It kind of gives it away whenever water is flowing. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe for more future content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later.